Hello, this is question 5 on your mixed exercise 3 from Year 13. For each of the following mappings, you have to state whether the mapping is one-to-one, many-to-one, or one-to-many, and state whether it could represent a function. So let's going to go doing each of them. So for this one, I have the same value of x is going to have two different values of y. Yeah, so this one and this one, which means it's a function one to many, and it's a mapping one to many, which means cannot be a function. So a one to many is one to many, and that cannot be a function, not function. Every time is one to many, no function. Then the next one, so for B, we have that each value of x has only one value of y, so it's going to be one to one, and it's going to be a function because it's defined for all the numbers. So it's just a linear function, so quite simple. Then for D, no, sorry, I skipped C. For C, we have different values of x can give me the same value of y. Yeah, so this value here, it looks like symmetrical, so minus a and a are going to give me the same y. Yeah, so it's going to be many to one, and still is a function, many to one, and it's a function. Each value has a corresponding value. We don't have problems or gaps or anything. For this one, we have same value of y for different values of x. Yeah, so this value minus a and this one minus b give me the same y. So it's going to be many to one. So this one is going to be many to one, and is going to be a function. It looks like a cubic. We don't have gaps or anything strange. Yeah, this one is going to be one to one. So for each value of x, I have a value of y, but we have a problem here. So the function in this, or the mapping in this point, won't have a mapping. Yeah, there is not a value of x. There is not value of y for this value of x. So it will be a function only in the domain if we restrict the domain. So y is going to be one to one, but it's going to be a function if we restrict the domain to exclude, let's say this is point A, so in all the real numbers minus the value A, yeah, we can explain if we exclude point A. And then the last one is going to be one to one, so each value of x, we get one value of y, but we don't have any value of y for x smaller than this value here. So if we call this again a, it's going to be negative, but a, we can say that is one to one. So it's one to one, and it could be a function for x greater or equal than a, but not before. So not for all real numbers. If we restrict the domain to a or greater, it will be a function. If not, it wouldn't. Yeah, and that's all with this question.